So Viltrox 2x teleconverter on the Sigma 150-600 Sports Edition with the Sony A7 IV. Does it work? In one word, yes. In 2 words, yes, but autofocus is very good. In photo mode, in video mode, it's difficult. At 300mm, the aperture is still big enough for the A7 IV to be kind of fast, but when it is at f13, the autofocus becomes very slow. But there's also always manual mode, right? One caveat though is that the information isn't passed through where the information is passed through to the camera, but it doesn't say 1200mm. It also always says 600 and f6.3 at the long end instead of 1200 and f13. But yeah, it's borderline aesthetic and an aesthetic issue. So this is an example of the autofocus in photo mode, lightning fast, even at the long end. And in video mode, it's still fast at 300mm. Good enough, very much so. But at 1200, it becomes kind of stupidly slow. I mean, that's real time happening. Focus right now, yeah. Stupidly slow. Although I think it's an issue of the camera, right? Because it has trouble at f13 in video mode. That's a camera issue. So from the point of view of the teleconverter, I think it works flawlessly, actually. I mean, the information isn't passed through to the camera, which might exacerbate the autofocus problem because the camera thinks it's at 6.3 instead of f13. But yeah, that's how it is.